Hello there! Are you a fan of chestnut like I am? Well, you are in for a treat today. Having spent 3 wonderful years in Portugal, I have discovered the true magic of their cuisine. The Portuguese have a knack for turning humble ingredients like beans, vegetables, and of course chestnut into creamy and wholesome soups that are simply irresistible. Inspired by their culinary prowess, I'm excited to share with you my take on this delightful and nutritious dish, the Portuguese chestnut soup. The best part, it calls for a handful of easily accessible ingredients like frozen or vacuum-packed chestnuts, canned bean, tofu, turnip, and flavorful vegetable stock. Stick around. I will guide you through every step of the process. For my Portuguese speaking viewers, I have created a dedicated video in Portuguese. You can dive into that version with the link attached below. And for those who do not know me, I'm Linda Crocus. Welcome to Healthy Asian Cuisine channel. Follow me because there are more exciting recipe and videos coming your way. Let's get started on this delicious journey together. Start by washing the turnips, then cutting them into small bite-sized pieces. Next, cut the tofu into half-inch cubes. After that, place the chestnuts, chopped turnips, and tofu cubes in a big heavy bottom pan. Then add vegetable stock. Stir to mix everything and bring to a boil. Then lower the heat to a simmer and cover the pan to let simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover the pan and add the cooked butter beans. Simmer for another 5 minutes and taste. Note, if the vegetable stock already contains lots of salt, do not add it until you have tasted the soup to avoid adding too much salt. After the soup is cooked, ladle the soup into a bowl. Before serving the chestnut soup, garnish with finely chopped spring onions. It is optional. I hope you have fun making the soup and enjoy eating it too. I will be showing you another dish next time. See you soon. Take care. Bye for now.